super excited as we end 2019, but I'm preparing for 2020. How do we grow? So for me, I want to take my business from 100 million to 200 million. First things first, I need to hire a chief of operations, someone to help me run my day-to-day business. I recently hired Bobby Burton, who just joined us, comes from zero mortgage experience, has a restaurant background, but knows how to scale businesses, has been doing it for over 25 years. I'm very excited because I know that I have limitations as one individual, but with Bobby, we're going to be able to grow this thing in many different levels. First things first, onboard him. It's been a tough week, our first week together, because you got to be patient while he learns some of the background to banking, some of the basics of just how to get things up and running. And I'm super excited as we start building out our network for operations, for networking with other referral sources, as well as the process flow as a whole. I'm very excited as we go on this journey from 100 million to 200 million plus.